everyone, my name is Kaushik and I am going to make lemonade with basil seeds. My brother also wants to help me in the lemonade.
Hi everyone, my name is Saradar.
So let's get started. So the ingredients are lemonade, 10 spoons of sugar, a pinch of salt and some ice cubes and drinking water. The first step is we need to take some basil seeds and soak it in water. And keep it aside for 15 minutes. And now we are going to start with the lemonade. So we are going to take a big jar or a bowl and pour some lemon juice in it. 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Thank you. Lemon juice. Spoons of sugar. Look at my brother, he's eating all the sugar. Okay, give the sugar please. Thank you. 10 tablespoons of sugar. And that's it. Now we are going to add enough water to this.
Enough.
And now we are also going to add some ice cubes to refresh yourself.
Take it, Lana.
Thank you. Oh, very cold. And now we are going to add a pinch of salt to it.
Take it, Lana.
Stir the mixture well. Our lemonade is almost ready. Now let's serve it. Pour this lemonade into each glass. And now we are going to add a full tablespoon of basil seeds which we soaked earlier. It will be nicer too. Add one ice cube for each glass. And our lemonade is ready. Let's drink it. Adu, take some juice. Is it nice, Adu?
It's very nice, bro.
Thank you. I hope you all like this video. I wish you enjoy this summer with favorite drinks like this. Bye.